Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Soglank tumka येवकार दिता माझ्या cooking channelaचेर. So today I am going to show you this ladyfish. Okay, ladyfish curry. And in Goan language we call it Mudoshi. And in English it is called ladyfish. तर आयज हांव तुमकां हेजी कोडी करपाक दाखयता. ओके, सगळ्याची कोच्ची ना, थोड्याची कोत्तली, थोडे मागीर भाजून घेतली, पूण हांव कोडी करून दाखयता तुमकां हेची आनी मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली. सो हांवें ह्यो 3 घेतल्या, पूण हांव हितूंतली एक हेजी कोडी कोत्तली. सो आय विल बी यूजिंग 1 टू मेक दीस करी एंड आय विल बी यूजिंग दीस ऑल्सो ऑफ दीस पार्ट. ओके, so I will show you later what pieces I will be using. So keep it aside. Then what we need is 1 grated coconut, small 1 grated coconut. Then so this will go one here. 1 green chili, half onion to grind, a little bit of this much of ginger, around 6 flakes of garlic. Then this much is tamarind. Before grinding, just see if there is any seed or something. So it's like a small ball of tamarind. 2 Kashmiri chilies, and these are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of Goan chilies. You can use your any short small chilies what is available. Then this is around 2 teaspoons, small teaspoon of cumin seeds, and this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can use the whole powder also. Then 1 chili will go in sauteing time. So I'll be using this half onion and 1 tomato. Now I'll show you the measurement of teaspoon, but whatever is there in your kitchen you can use. So this is my teaspoon. You can buy it on Amazon. तर ही कोडी जावन आसा ती आमची गोंयची कोडी. तर तितून हांवें घेतल्या अर्दो प्याव, थोडेशें आलें, ह्यो सो जावन आसा धाकटुश्यो आमचे लसूण, मागीर ही एक हरी मिरसांग, आमसण, मागीर हांवें सो आमच्यो मोठ्यो गोंयच्यो चिलीज घेतल्या, म्हापसाच्यो मिरसांग्यो घेतल्या, 2 काश्मीरी मिरसांग्यो घेतल्या, 2 धाकटी कुलेरां आमचे जिरे आनी 1 धाकटे कुलेर आमचे हळदीचो पिठो. आख्खी हळदी घेवं येता, ह्यो घरचो केल्लो आमी. मागीर हे जावन आसा ह्यो एक धाकटो नाल्ल. मागीर ह्यो एक मिरसांग वयतली जेन्ना हांव तेलान सोंसायतली. मागीर हें जावन आसा आमचो तो कांदो, आनी हें जावन आसा ही एक टमाट. तर आतां आमी हें सगळें वांटून घेवया नाल्ला बरोबर. ओके, घालून घेवया. लेट्स ॲड ऑल दिस. Water, and we'll grind this. So here my masala is ready, and these are the fish pieces I'm using. Okay, so we need little bit of oil to saute our onion, tomato and the masala in it. So we'll apply a little bit of salt for fish. We'll start sauteing our onion and tomatoes. So let's add this onion. And saute this for few minutes. So आता कांदो घातला उश्टे सॉसांक जाय आनी टमाटे घालुया. Now we'll add our ground masala. This is which mixer? This is Bosch mixer, and you can just check the link in the description box if you want to buy. Within like just 2-3 minutes and your masala is ready. Just for a few minutes, and then we'll add water to this. So around 2 cups of water. Mix this. Now let it get a boil. Okay, then we will add our fish. So now you can see nice boil is come. Now we will add our fish. तर एका बरो खतखतो येला तर आता आमी हितून नुस्तें सोडुया. And एका बरे mix करूया. So let us give a nice mix, and it will get cooked within 5 minutes because this fish gets cooked very fast. So we'll cover this and cook this for 5 minutes. Check the salt. We'll add our green chili also in this now. Check the salt. So we need to add salt to this. Salt to taste. Cover and cook this. On low flame for 5 minutes. Now this is Mudoshi, so it is a special fish, that is ladyfish, Mudoshi in Goa. So now for this, if you don't want to add coconut juice, it is optional, but I will add to this coconut juice, and that is like half coconut juice, thick version. And then again for another 2 minutes, and it is done. Okay, the fish is cooked. So as we have put this coconut juice, another 2 minutes, and it is done. So here our curry is ready. Let's enjoy this yummy tasty curry. आमची गोंयची मुड्डुशांची कोडी जावन आसा तयार आनी मानता की तुमकां सगल्यांक आवडटलें. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. एन्जॉय करात आमची गोंयची कोडी, मुड्डुशीची कोडी, मुड्डुशीचें हुमण. In English it is ladyfish curry, Goan curry. Thank you so much. Thank you.